Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best commodities Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. There are a variety of ways to consider investing in commodities. One is to purchase varying amounts of physical raw commodities, such as precious metals. Investors can also invest through the use of futures contracts or exchange-traded products that directly track a specific commodity index. However, these are highly volatile and complex instruments that are generally recommended for experienced investors only. Another way to gain exposure to commodities is through mutual funds that invest in commodity-related businesses. For instance, an oil and gas fund would own stocks issued by companies involved in energy exploration, refining, storage, and distribution. Finding the right commodities broker for you can be difficult when there are so many to choose from. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best commodities brokers. Coming in first at number 5 is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, swap-free options on the MetaTrader 4 platform, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own learning center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your knowledge through FXTM. Coming in at number 4 is CMC Markets. CMC Markets is an online, well-regulated market maker broker, which has been in operation since 1989, caters for traders from around the world, and is one of the few brokers to boast with a listing on the London Stock Exchange. Trusted by numerous traders and offering competitive trading conditions and access to various global markets, CMC Markets specializes in trading through Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares and ETFs, as well as treasuries. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 10,000 products, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational and learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with CMC Markets. At number 3 is Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. At number 2 is Forexsuggest. Forexsuggest is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forexsuggest offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forexsuggest's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on Standard, Commission, and Direct Market Access accounts with lower Forex fees, access to their web and mobile platforms, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forexsuggest also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forexsuggest. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best commodities Forex brokers, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons that Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, up to 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental and technical analysis panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education through Tickmill. And those are some of the top 5 best commodities forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and to let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.